Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Liz from Paper Blossoms. So in today's video, it's not really a happy mail or a crafty video, it's more of a haul. I wanted to show you what I found at the Reject Shop over the last maybe 2 weeks since they've brought their Christmas items in. Every time I go in there seems to be new things. I am expecting another collection, but I do have one here to show you. So yeah, I thought I would just come on and show you for people who don't have access to the Reject Shop. It might be something to look into, you know, pen pal wise, swapping and such. So yeah, I'm going to start off with these little stickers here that I found. These are just called festive stickers. And these are foam dimensional Santa hats that are on little pop dots. I thought they were really cute. Then there's these cardboard gingerbread men that are on pop dots as well. None of these have names, which is annoying because I like to have names. But these are flat mistletoe stickers with little red diamantes for the berries. And then the Santa hats are the same. They have diamantes on the end and they're just flat, they're not dimensional. So there was those, and then I found these bows. I thought they had these ones red, gold and silver, and I thought red would be perfect for some of the mail that I've been planning out for my Christmas mail, so I got one of those. I don't believe that this glitter comes with the collection that I have here, but I did think it was appropriate, and who doesn't love glitter? I love glitter. I do have some ideas to use it for, so that's why I did grab it. And then I found these. These are frosted bakery bags is what they're called. They're essentially just your plastic bags that you would put, you know, cookies or something in. But I thought these would be perfect to send goodies in mail. And then this is tissue paper. I do plan on sending quite a few Christmas themed swaps out. So there is, is it 50, just under a meter by half a meter of tissue paper there. So that's fantastic. And then these I haven't seen before. These are cookie gift boxes. There's 12 in the pack for $5 and they're all different sizes. So I thought they were really cute that you could maybe you could definitely decorate them, send goodies in them, or you could use them for cookies. It's totally up to you. So there's those, and I want to start off with the big paper pad first. I just had to sit it behind me, sorry guys. So this collection that I have is called Bows and Bells, and I think it's beautiful. I think it's very Christmassy, but it's not in your face, tacky red and tacky green. So we'll just have a little flip through and you guys can have a look. Now this is thin paper. It's not thick like you would assume, but there is 2 of each throughout. Oh, and they're stuck a little bit from the sticker. I really like this one. That's nice. That's nice, that one. I like that one. That's pretty. So yeah, there was that paper pad, and then along with that they always have a mini which has 40 sheets, and this one says it's got 20 pearlized sheets and 20 printed. So these are essentially just a smaller version of this one, but just smaller. So I did grab both of those because I do like to make my embellishments from these. I apologize for the background noise. So this is the Bows and Bells a foil statement pad. And usually they always come out with a pad of stickers when with a collection. And I really enjoy these, especially having foil and, you know, bigger sayings and smaller sayings, because when I make my embellishment clusters, I do like to put something on there. These are always helpful. And then these are great for putting on bigger pieces of mail. These could be on your boxes that you send out, even these ones. Definitely usable this season. And then you have some pretty deco that goes along with the die cuts that we'll have a look at in a second. And these are foiled as well. And then you have your sentiments again. I really do enjoy the way that they do their collections. So this is the die cut. So yeah, cardstock die cuts. You have 120 pieces in here and you get 2 of everything. So this is what is included within the pack. You have bows, quinceañeras, stockings, wreaths, reindeer, bells, Christmas trees, little deco, floral bits, homes, words. I think for $4 and getting 120 pieces, I think it's just amazing. So I generally, when collections like this come out, I don't usually get the bigger pads. I get the smaller pads, the sticker sheets, and the die cuts. And if there's any other associated stickers or other stickers like your dimensional ones, I'll grab like a couple of those so I can give some, use some, and save some. And then the last thing that I want to show you, I actually found at Coles. This isn't from the Reject Shop, but this is from Coles. And these are card holder pegs, but they're not connected. And I thought that they were so absolutely cute. And you could definitely put them on your mail or even further embellish them or add them to things. Yeah. So that's really everything that I wanted to show you from the Reject Shop, and that the reindeers from Coles. Everything else I have purchased for this Christmas season is actually at a shop that is only solely where I live. So I don't really feel like I should be showing you that, because if you want it, you're probably not going to find it near you, which sucks. But if you are interested in that, please let me know and I will add them into future videos. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're getting excited for the Christmas crafting season. I definitely am. I can't wait to dig into this. I think I'm going to make some embellishments tonight and start prepping for my Christmas swaps. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and whenever you're watching this, make sure to come find me on Instagram at Paper Blossoms, and you can also come and check out the Maggie Holmes and Crate Paper Facebook group. I'll have a link down below for you. Come and say hi and join in with the conversation, and yeah, I'll chat to you all later. Bye!